Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a really easy, super quick DIY on how to make beaded flip-flops. This is a fun project to do with your kids or with your nieces and nephews, or to do for yourself, especially if you're going on vacation and you want to take a bunch of flip-flops, but you want them to have a bit of variety. So if you like how this looks, stay tuned and I'll show you what I used. For this project, I used E600 glue, beads that I picked up from Michael's, and some Old Navy flip-flops. You can use any color, you can use any color bead, but these are really cute because they're starfish and I know that I'm going to wear them to the beach. The first thing I'm going to do is cut the cord for the beads and just spread some out. That way they'll be easier to get to as I glue them on, and it just depends on how you want the color scheme to go. So I have one of each color pretty much. So I basically took all of them off and I have just about two in each color. This one is on a little bit more securely, so I just left it because I'm not going to use it. So my next step is going to be to add the glue to the strap of the flip-flop so that I can start attaching the beads. I always use a toothpick to attach the glue, but if you have something better, then use that. I just like it because they're disposable and they're very easy to maneuver. I put a lot of glue on here because I want to make sure that this sticks. And I know that I want either a green or a blue kind of close, so I'll use the green one. And you see this little thing, let me see. I don't even know if you can see that, but like this has the little hole for the wire. I want to kind of have that not facing out. So I'm just going to maneuver this like this and let it stick there. Now you're going to have to let this dry for a long time, and these beads are kind of heavy, so I don't know how long they're going to stay on there. I'll let you know because I'm definitely going to wear these, but just make sure that you put it where you want and then leave it alone. So I'm going to put the rest of the beads on here and show you what it looks like. This is what the flip-flops look like now that I've added the beading to one side of the strap. And I'm going to let this set for a minute before I go on to the other side because the beads are a little bit heavy and they're sliding. So I just want to make sure that they have a good amount of time to set. And the other thing I wanted to say is I spread glue all over this strap. I would not suggest that. I would suggest just using a big dollop of glue exactly where you want to place the bead, because now I have glue all over the strap and I know that I'm going to kind of be irritated about that later. But otherwise, I like it. It's cute, and I'm just going to let these set and I'll show you what it looks like as soon as the other side gets added. As a reminder, this is what the plain silver gray flip-flop looked like. This is what it looks like with the beads added. Super easy, super inexpensive, and super fun. So I hope that you like this. You can use any kind of beads, any color. It takes less than 5 minutes to add the beads, and then you just want to make sure that they dry overnight. So thank you again so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time.